Okay guys, so this is the look I did today. Hope you liked the video. I bought a whole bunch of like eyeshadow toppers. Had shimmer on it, and I also got new lipstick, so I wanted to try that out. And yeah, hope you guys like it. So this was the video. Hope you guys liked it. Tried a whole bunch of new things and I like them all. I do feel like there truly are toppers. They're not really like standalone eyeshadows. So I got the two from Stila. They're really good. I like them. I feel like they're a lot more opaque than the ones from Too Faced, which I only got one from, but this one's, I feel like this one's like mainly just glitter. I have to say, out of all of them, the most opaque ones have to be the Glitter Goals by NYX. It's this one I really like to put on when I don't really have time to do a full eyeshadow look. So yeah. Leave a comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. You know the drill.